Who be doing shit like this? Y'all not even doing shit like this. Y'all ain't supposed to go be in the other motherfuckers. Be in folk face. Bitch. Fuck hugging the bitch. Guess what? Even though I know ants and shit on the street, guess what? Fuck hugging the bitch. I hug the fucking tree. I'm connected by the fucking nature. I'm connected by motherfucking earth, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Yeah. I ain't wiping Mother Earth off of me. I don't know if any ants got on me. But even if they did, they connected to Mother Earth. Y'all don't even do shit like this. Y'all lame. Get a life. Nah, for real though. Real talk, man. I'm still out here, man. It's beautiful out here too. For real though, man. Hey, connect with Mother Earth, man. It's a beautiful thing. It's the universe bring you and bless you with a whole lot when you connect with nature, Mother Earth, Father Sky. You know, I pray for all that. Pray for the sun, moon, the stars. Got a red cardinal over there. Hey, y'all don't know what it means when you see a cardinal, a bluebird, an eagle, owl, a hawk, a crow. Like I was saying, if y'all don't know what it means when y'all see them, I'm finna go forward that over there. But if y'all don't know what it means when y'all see them type of birds, them type of spiritual angels, the spiritual gods, man, go look it up, man. That's why YouTube and Google out here, man. Start educating yourself. Tap in, tune in, man. I had to tap in and tune in. That's how I know. And where to go get all this love from that I got coming. Man, a whole lot of blessings been coming, man. But y'all do it. Y'all get them too. Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, Allah Akbar. That's what I like. When you say outside, this outside. This is what outside look like. This is what outside feels like. This is outside. Fuck it y'all talking about. Look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. Nature is loving on me. The sun is loving on me. I just came from working out. That's what I do. I go work out. I go by the lakes. Go to the rivers. Go in nature. And connect with Mother Earth. And then I'm a Earth baby already. So, you know, she been loving on me. I love you too. Thank you. I'm headed up the yellow brick road. Fuck you talking about? It's goofy as hell. But I am heading up this little. Look at this. This why I love to be by myself. Do you hear it? You hear it? The birds. The silence. That's what I love. You know? Just something y'all will never do. Y'all need motherfuckers just to do this. Just to go out in nature, y'all need motherfuckers, because y'all scared. Man, Mother Earth is out here loving on each other. I love you so. Oh my God, it's something happening. I was kidding. April Fools. So if something was after me, guess who would be getting away? Me, bitch.